Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Disclaimer, today I want to share one of the cleanings that I do, and before that I just want to say that I'm doing this to just maybe help a girl somewhere. It's really good when you do planning. You can do your cleaning, like you can plan your cleaning, you can plan your daily cleaning, your weekly cleaning, your monthly cleaning, your yearly cleaning, and I think it's usually really beneficial when you do some plan. So guys, in today's video guys, I just want to share with you my monthly cleaning. I will be cleaning the backyard, and a disclaimer, please keep it positive, because this channel is to help each other. You know, we are so many girls here in Saudi Arabia, and if you have a chance to share with people what you think or how you do your things, it's really good, because some of the things that are making us suffer here, it's maybe lack of awareness, you know, like that self-drive, you know, that self-drive that makes you wake up without being woken up, go do your work. And I feel like we really need to be talking and sharing videos to like tips venye una survive mali huko, boss wako vile yako, vile unafanyanga ndo msikorofishane, and I am just about to share that with you guys. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and by the end of this video you're going to learn one or two things. And I know these jobs are not easy. Hizi kazi zinakuanga ngumu, but zifanye na love. You know, when you do without expecting anything in return, you know, just do like it's your own home. Personally, mi ufanya cleaning hapa ni kama ni kwangu, and that is one of the reasons why I will never complain. I have learned not to be complaining, by the way. I have learned to be taking things as they are and seeing the good in everything. Like seeing this place clean, it's healthy for everybody in this house, and it makes you responsible, it helps you have a productive day, and that is just the energy I want to put out here, guys. I know I'm not perfect and you're not perfect, but let's keep a positive energy. Let's push through the days here in Saudi Arabia, guys, and let's share tips in the comment section. Let's keep this society safe, because I believe there are many girls out there who are safe but they never talk. If you're watching this video and you are okay and you have some of the things that you do that helps you push through the day without maybe having arguments in your house, please share with us, so at least we can learn one or two things of how to handle things. Anyway, let's start this video. If there's one mistake that I have made, is to come clean here while it's too late. Usually I choose to clean these places, like the outside, in the morning, very early in the morning, around 6, 7. But you guys, today I started with the house, and the sun is coming out, and this place is usually very hot, especially when the sun comes out. As you can see, it's almost coming on the floor, but I think I'll just have to clean, because it's not a really huge place, and this is what usually makes me clean this place every month, once or twice. Usually there are birds here in Saudi Arabia, and they usually poo a lot, so you will find feces, the birds' feces everywhere, every time. But to make it easier, just do your cleaning once or twice. That is how I do mine. This month I haven't come here. For the past 1 month I haven't come here. The last time I cleaned here was last month, and I usually do it during the first week of the month. But I really want to do this. Another thing, guys, that I want to tell you is that this backyard doesn't have a tap. So I usually bring water from first floor, second floor? I don't know. First ground, first. Yeah, I usually bring water from first floor where my boss stays, and I bring it down here, and I usually use like that bucket. There's that bucket over there. You guys, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that one over there. I usually use that one bucket to wash here, because I will start with the stairs and that water will still come here. So at least by the time I'm getting down here, this feces will already be dissolved. Yeah, it will have already absorbed the water, and it will be so easy to push it towards the outside. And yeah, let's do this because I have to do this before it gets super hot. So tuchangamke watu wangu. Guess who's lucky, guys? I'm super lucky because it's not hot. Joy imeshaenda, you see, it's literally not hot. So I think I'm just gonna finish today, right now, right here. That's a pipe that I'm supposed to be using to clean this place, but I don't know what happened to the tap here. So guys, like I told you, I'm going to use this water. I'm already done with the house and the stairs. I'm a super happy baby right now. So let me finish up, guys, and then I can talk to you and tell you some of the tips that I use to do my cleaning. the water that I had brought to use was not enough, and I had to go all the way to bring more water. So I used the front entrance to go get some water from the tap that I used to clean that other side. I'll show you that in the future. But yeah, I'm super tired by the way, guys. I'm super tired by now. I just want to finish, go have some food, shower, and maybe sleep. Let's finish up, guys. Oh, this is tiring. No kidding. By the way, no kidding. This is really tiring, especially bringing the water from all the other side and upstairs. It's super tiring, but it is what it is, huh? It is what it is, huh? Amaji. Yeah, it is what it is. We move on regardless. You guys have lost my breath. Yes, it's not an easy task by the way, guys, but one of the things that makes me really happy is the fact that I managed to do my cleaning without being followed, and this makes me happy. Honestly, this makes me happy, it makes my days productive. It helps me push along with the days, and just this place just being clean, literally, it's my fulfillment. At least I am happy with my work. Right now the house has like a really nice breath. I mean, the breeze, the air, the atmosphere, yeah, the atmosphere in the house is really nice by the way. It was a bit dusty, and after cleaning, the atmosphere in the house is like really good. You can feel even the breeze. It's really nice. And one more thing, guys, it was so easy to clean this place because I didn't realize by the way saizi jua ikuangi. Hizi saizi ni saa ngapi? It's 15 minutes to 1 na jua ishaenda. You can literally see hakuna jua, na around 10 kulikuwa na jua ingine crazy. You guys, I'm super happy with this. Like, oh my god, even when my boss comes here, actually amenipata leo nikiosha, akaniuliza natumia nini cause anajua maji huku nyuma iko sawa. Nikamshoni nabebanga tu maji kutoka huko juu na kama naleta. Akaniambia atafix hiyo tap iko pale hivyo. Unaona hata kuna tube. Kuna ile tube na kuna tap hapo next. Akaniambia atafix, alafu nikamshopia I need some gumboots. Man, really, I really need some gumboots. I've been asking for the gumboots for like, I don't know, since I got here. They just tell me they're like busy, but me either way, either nipe gumboot ama asinipe gumboot, I'll still clean, because at the end of the day it is my job to make sure that this place is clean, and yeah, I have to do my cleaning. So guys, some of the things that have helped me push along here, it's just keeping myself busy. I keep myself busy not because to show them that I am, but just to avoid, kupatana na wao kwa nyumba. Literally tangu asubuhi nimekuwa huku nyuma, saizi it's 1. Nilienda tu kwa nyumba pika breakfast. So I made them some pancakes and came back here. At least now it's half day. Now right now I will go clean the toilets. the house is clean. I had cleaned yesterday. I will clean all the toilets, and I will just clean the door. There's an entrance to the house. That place usually get dusty like every day, so that is what I will go do. And after that I will just eat. I will cook. Actually nafikiria kupika food mbio indomie and eat. Nikikula nishie kwa room, nioge, nijimassage cause hii mgongo I need some relaxation. And it's been a good ride. I've enjoyed sharing this video with you guys. Let me know some of your tips that you use to do your monthly cleaning, because for me there's daily cleaning, there's weekly cleaning, there's monthly cleaning, and it's good when we share these things here. This channel is about positivity, by the way. Hapa hakuna negativity. Please usilete negativity hapa. Here we are here to help each other to survive in Saudi Arabia, and tumalize miaka mbili twende home tukiwa sawa. We are not here to like suffer, to be yelled at, no. And one thing that will help us do that is to always be on track, always do what you're supposed to be doing at the right time. Sasa hapa nitarudi after 1 month. Let me see you on my next video, guys. I love you so much, Nimonation. I don't take your time for granted, and I'm loving the progress. Honestly, I'm really loving the progress.